Basic navigation and searching, an Aptora Mobile II training video. The purpose of this training video is to give Aptora Mobile II clients and prospective clients a general understanding of the Aptora Mobile II application, and is tailored specifically towards the basic navigation within the application and searchability of the application relative to data found within the Total Office Manager database, commonly referred to as TOM. The dashboard. Upon login, the first page an Aptora Mobile II user will see is referred to as the dashboard. The dashboard can be considered the main menu for your Aptora Mobile II website and has been designed specifically with the field technician in mind. This area is used as a quick reference for the logged in user's specific information. A user with the appropriate permissions will have the ability to access information specific to themselves, such as my calendar, my appointments, my work orders, my reminders, my phone messages, my notifications, my flat rate book, and alerts. Also, notice the three buttons displayed at the bottom of the dashboard: Home, Search, and Log Off. Users will see these icons on every page or form in the Aptora Mobile II application. Each option provides the user with a quick method of accessing the request selected. The Home button will return the user to the dashboard menu. The Search button is a customer job list quick search tool which opens the customer job list in your mobile website and allows users to search customer jobs and look up more information about a particular customer job. The Log Off button will first prompt the user if they are sure they would like to log off, and then logs the user off upon selection of the Yes button. For more information regarding the My Feature data views, please visit our website or contact your sales representative for more information. The Quick Add data view. One of the last data view options available to a user from the dashboard is entitled Quick Add. Notice the arrow icon displayed in the top left of the page view. When selected, this icon returns the user to the previous page. Notice the Home icon displayed in the top right corner of the page view. When selected, this icon returns the user to the dashboard menu. These icons can be seen throughout the Aptora Mobile II application and always perform the same function. After selecting the Quick Add data view, a user with the appropriate permissions will be presented with a variety of options designed for quick creation of different forms through the Aptora Mobile II application. As you can see, these options are: Add Customer Jobs, Add Customer Job Contact Log, Add Work Orders, Add Invoices and Sales, Add Estimates, Add Purchase Orders, Add Timesheet Entry, Add Sales Opportunities, Add Appointments, Add Phone Messages, and Add Reminders. Users may select one of these options and follow the prompts through to add the form specified by the data view selected. For more information, please visit our website, where additional training videos specific to these options can be found. The More data view. The last data view option on the dashboard is entitled More. Selecting this data view option will open another page which displays a variety of additional data view options, and, given that a user has the appropriate security permissions enabled, allows a user to access, add, edit, void, and/or delete more information on the TOM database. For the purposes of this training video, we will only be covering a few of the data view options listed in this menu. For more information, please visit our website where additional training videos specific to these options can be found. The Quick Lookup Data View. The first data view option, as you will notice, is entitled Quick Lookup. After selecting the Quick Lookup Data View option, a user with the appropriate permissions is presented with another list of data view options designed to search the TOM database for specific data. As you will see, these options are Invoices by Number, Invoices by Date, Estimates by Number, Estimates by Date, Work Order by Number, Work Orders by Date. Each data view listed here functions exactly the same as another and can be used to easily look up specific forms saved to the TOM database. Invoices by Number. Upon selection of the Invoices by Number data view option, a user will be presented with a data entry window requiring a value to search for. The term value corresponds with an invoice number. The user will then need to enter an invoice number to search for. After entering the invoice number, select the Submit button to return a list of results relative to invoices matching the search criteria, invoice number, entered. A user may click the Cancel button or the X button on the message prompt window to close the search window and be returned to the Quick Lookup menu. Invoices by Date. Upon selection of the Invoices by Date data view option, a user is presented with a data entry window requiring a start date and end date to search for invoices falling within this criterion. Enter a start and end date and click the Submit button to return a list of search results. A user may click the Cancel button or the X button on the window to close the search window and be returned to the Quick Lookup menu. Estimates by Number. Upon selection of the Estimates by Number data view option, a user will be presented with a data entry window requiring a value to search for. The term value here corresponds with an estimate number. The user will then need to enter an estimate number to search for. After entering the estimate number, select the Submit button to return a list of results relative to estimates matching the search criteria estimate number entered. A user may click the Cancel button or the X button on the window to close the search window and be returned to the Quick Lookup menu. Estimates by Date. Upon selection of the Estimates by Date data view option, a user is presented with a data entry window requiring a start date and end date to search for estimates falling within this criterion. Enter a start date and end date and click the Submit button to return a list of search results. A user may click the Cancel button or the X button on the window to close the search window and be returned to the Quick Lookup menu. Work Orders by Number. Upon selection of the Work Orders by Number data view option, a user will be presented with a data entry window requiring a value to search for. The term value corresponds with a work order number. The user will then need to enter a work order number to search for. After entering the work order number, select the Submit button to return a list of search results relative to work orders matching the search criteria, work order number, entered. Work Orders by Date. Upon selection of the Work Orders by Date data view option, a user is presented with a data entry window requiring a start date and end date to search for work orders falling within this criterion. Enter a start and end date and click the Submit button to return a list of search results. A user may click the Cancel button or the X button on the window to close the search window and be returned to the Quick Lookup menu. The Company Calendar Data View. The next data view option available to the user from the More menu is entitled Company Calendar. The Company Calendar is the Aptora Mobile II version of the Total Office Manager schedule board. However, the Company Calendar in the Aptora Mobile II application has not been designed for use as a dispatching module. Note that clients and users should not expect this feature to function in the same manner as the Total Office Manager schedule board. Upon selecting the Company Calendar Data View, a user will see a month calendar view for the current month, displaying scheduled appointments and work orders. The Company Calendar features an advanced filter for specific filtering of scheduled appointments and work orders saved to the TOM database. The advanced filter option gives users the ability to filter by employee, work order type, work order status, appointment type, and appointment status. Users may select their filter criteria and then click the Go button to return the refreshed view of the company calendar on their criteria. The Clear button to clear the filtered criteria selected on the advanced filter. The Close button to close the advanced filter. Below the advanced filter icon on the company calendar, users will see a button labeled Today and arrow buttons left and right. The Today button will not be bold when a user is on the current month. This button will become bold and selectable when the user is on a month not current, and when selected, returns the user to the current month view. The left and right arrow buttons are used for scrolling dates backwards and forwards. As a user scrolls down the company calendar, they will see a button displaying Month. This is the particular calendar view selected. Users may click on the button to bring up a list of views available for display of the company calendar feature, and these views are Month, Basic Week, Basic Day, Agenda Week, Agenda Day. The Company Info Data View. The Company Info Data View presents users with a quick reference to company information. This is a user security enabled feature and should not be considered something all users should be allowed access to view due to the nature of data contained herein. Users will notice the Company Contact Log icon displayed in the upper right corner of the page. When selected, the Aptora Mobile II Company Contact Log will display. Users with the appropriate security permissions are able to enter and save entries to the contact log. There are 4 viewing options presented to the user within the Company Info Data View, and these options are General. This is what the user will see first, and this data view is always open. Other information. As a user scrolls down the general information, they will see the Other Information data view. This data view displays additional company information, including state and federal tax data. Contact Log. The Contact Log data view option will display the company contact log list entries, and also displays an additional data view entitled Manage Notifications. For more information about the Manage Notifications data view, please visit our website where a video specific to this feature can be found, or contact your Aptora sales representative. From within the contact log data view, users with the appropriate security permissions have the ability to add company contact log entries within the data view by clicking the Add button found in the upper right corner of the page. Document links. The Document Links data view gives a user the ability to view document links associated to your company. Document links can be searched and selected from this data view option. Select a document link to view more information about the link and to open or download the linked form. For more information about this feature in Aptora Mobile II, please visit our website, where additional training videos specific to these options can be found. The Lists data view. The Lists data view option presents users with the appropriate security permissions the ability to view the main lists displayed within the Lists data view. Users may select a List data view option to view each list. Each list presents the user with a search area where criteria can be entered to filter list results. Results can then be selected for more specific viewing of data contained within a record found within the list. The last data view found within the List data view is entitled Logged In Users. This feature is designed to show users logged into the mobile application. Note that there may be times, commonly found when updating the mobile application or Total Office Manager software, when a message prompt states there are users logged into the database. Users in the Aptora Mobile II application, having permission to view this data view, can select the Logged In Users data view to view what other users are currently logged into the mobile application. The Financials data view. When selected, this data view presents users with 4 data view options for viewing financial information saved to the Total Office Manager database. These options are: Who owes us? This is a quick AR summary. Customer jobs with a balance can be selected and viewed in greater detail from within the data view option. Who we owe. This is a quick AP summary. Vendors with balances can be selected and viewed in greater detail from within the data view option. Executive Summary. This is the mobile version of the Executive Summary report found in Total Office Manager. Banking. This data view presents the user with another data view option, Chart of Accounts. When selected, this data view displays the chart of account list with balances as is found in Total Office Manager. The Settings data view. The Settings data view option presents the user with additional preference type settings that can be applied to the user logged in. These settings are user specific and apply to a variety of forms and functions in the Aptora Mobile II application. Settings are covered in more detail in the settings video found on the Aptora website. For the purpose of this video, we will be focusing briefly on the Display Settings data view found within the Settings data view option. When the Display Settings data view option is selected, a user will be presented with a few options designed for the customization of the display of data and forms within the mobile application. These settings are user specific. The first option is entitled Change Theme. This feature allows a user to choose their Aptora Mobile II color display within the application. When selected, the user is prompted to choose from a variety of more than 10 color options. The second option is entitled Views. This feature allows a user to change employee type views within the Aptora Mobile II application. Each view has been designed with the particular user type view in mind and is customized for their ease in use while using the Aptora Mobile II application. The final display settings option, Limit Search Results to, corresponds with how many results will be returned per page on list or lookup views in the Aptora Mobile II application. Currently, users can choose between 5 and 100 results per page. The Help Data View. The Help Data View option displays 4 additional data view options. The Feature Request Data View. This data view option provides the user with a form to suggest new features or improvements to existing features. A user may fill out this form and click the Submit button to submit their feature request. The About Aptora Mobile data view. This data view option provides the user with 5 additional data views, and these are General, Version, Registration Information, Database, Company File, and Aptora Corporation. When selected, each of these data view options present a user with more specific Aptora information and are specific to a particular client. The Help Data View. This data view option was originally created as a help topic area where more information could be found regarding specific topics relative to Aptora Mobile II. Currently, there are 10 help-related topics found in Data View Style within the Help Data View option. This data view option may be removed or condensed in the future, but either way, please be aware that the functionality of this feature will be changing in the future. The Check for Update data view. This data view is designed to give the user a tool to verify whether a newer version of the Aptora Mobile II application has been released. This data view will also present the user with current version information. The mobile application cannot be updated from a device and must be updated using the mobile configuration utility found on the mobile server machine. When selected, this data view will also display a button, View Changelog, which, when selected, provides a user with information about what has been added, updated, or fixed in recent versions of Aptora Mobile II. Home. This concludes the basic navigation and searching Aptora Mobile II training video. At this time, you may click the Home button at the bottom of the screen or the Home icon in the upper right of the screen to be returned to the dashboard menu. Please visit our website for more information about Aptora and each of our products and services. Thank you.